Look, there are 4 mega trends that are impacting any industry today. For sure, our food and beverage industry. Personalization. We need to create solutions that are customized on the basis of the needs and wants of people. And again, this is happening in every industry. Sustainability, health and wellness. And then there is a 4th variable that is technology. Technology is an enabler of all of these 3 dimensions. Gatorade GX is an example of a series of efforts that we have ongoing in these 4 dimensions. Gatorade GX essentially is an ecosystem where you have these patches that you put on your skin that monitor your sweating, composition and amount of sweating during your performance, and send information to an app. This app then recommends you what kind of concentrate of Gatorade is ideal for you on the basis of how your body reacts to the moment of performance. And on the basis of that, you choose your Gatorade, you use your reusable bottle, you fill it with water, you have your pod specific for you, and you mix the 2 things and you create your perfect, ideal Gatorade. This bottle is a smart bottle with a microchip that monitors what you are drinking and once again send the data to the app. And so essentially Gatorade GX is just an early manifestation of something much broader and bigger that will happen in the near future in the industry. We will wake up in the morning and the intelligence of the house will tell us how we slept, because we'll have something on our body. It could be an Apple Watch, an Oura Ring, or a Gatorade patch, or something else. We'll have something that monitors the way we sleep. They will know things that we don't know. Alexa in the morning may tell me, Mauro, you didn't sleep very well. And I will be like, what do you mean? I thought I slept so well. But Alexa, through the wearable technology, knows things that eventually I don't know about my body. And the technology knows also my health history, knows the agenda of my day, how busy I'm going to be. And so that intelligence will customize the perfect drink for me. The drink that I love, again, my desire, my emotions, what I love, the right flavors, the right formulation, but then the drink also that I need in that specific moment, in the specific time of the day, on the basis of what happened the days before. Functional ingredients like vitamins of any kind, magnesium, electrolytes, and many other things. By the way, I'm mentioning a way to customize your drinks that we even have already in our portfolio with SodaStream Professional, a machine that already today give you the possibility to customize your drinks on the basis of the flavors that you love and the kind of drink that you love, but also on the basis of the kind of needs that you have from a functional standpoint.